bit better. All right, here's what we're doing. We're scratching out a solo for Seasons of Love, and we're basing it on the lyric. 525,600 minutes. That's all we're going to cover in this video. Our chords will be F, C, B flat, and F. And I'm using some various techniques with my right hand. We want to lay that chord down, if we can, on the downbeat. And then the rest of the notes can be single notes, or you can play more than one note at the same time. It's your choice. So with that 500, we figured out that note is a C. The chord is an F. So I'm using the block chord technique, where I'm playing 4 notes, 4 strings, and then it's going to be 3 strings in a few seconds at the same time. So watch this. 500. So I lay down a chord that first beat. 500, you can do this. 500, you can block chord it. 500, you can strum it. 500. So you see how I laid that chord down, that first of the downbeat. 500. Now we've got that 25,000, 25,000, da 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 da.
G.
Good, G. So we're not on the A string anymore. We're on the G string. That's going to be the highest note, which means that we cannot play the A string. If we do, it's going to sound like harmony, and we're going to lose our chord melody. So I'm plucking the top 3 strings so that here's the G note. So we've got 525,000. So I took out a few of the notes. You could do that if you want, but 25,000, we're intimating at the melody. 25,000. That was a C chord. And you know, I made my little C chord like this. Even though I'm not using the A string, it was just convenient for me. You can do it that way too. That's a C chord. Now the next part of this is a B flat. 600, 600. Again, 600. What note is that?
F.
Good. And is F a note in the B flat chord?
Yes.
Yes. So let's lay down that B flat chord. And I'm just going to pluck it on that downbeat. 600, 600. Do you see what we're doing? Not playing that A string because the melody is falling on the E string. 600 minutes. What's the chord?
A.
Good. A.
C.
C. There it is. This is what I mean by how so much of this melody is baked right into the chord. Let's try it. 2 from the top. 3, 4. 525,600 minutes. Let's try it again, see if I can get it right. 2, 3, 4. 525,600 minutes. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4. 525,600 minutes. And voila, you've got one line of chord melody.